Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and I'm back with the other part of the organization video that I shared last week. You can check out the craft room makeover and organization video. I'll mention it down in the description box. And also this video is part of a challenge hosted by Antoniette from Simple Yet Chic. She's an amazing creator and creates amazing DIYs. You should definitely check out her channel I'll mention in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's begin. In this video, I'm sharing very simple and easy way to create DIY organizer out of carton boxes. I've been collecting these boxes for months altogether, and finally I decided to turn them into cute organizers. So to start with, I took a medium size carton box and I cut the flaps on all the four sides, and then I started painting the box using teal acrylic paint and a large sponge brush. You can spray paint the boxes or even use contact paper, or you can glue fabric also, or burlap, whatever is available with you. Whatever you have at hand should work just fine. You just need to cover the boxes so that they don't look cardboardy. I had started making some strips and checks pattern using a pencil, and I then started coloring the patterns using the large sponge brush. I'm coloring the boxes in gentle dabbing motion to avoid brush strokes. This gives a nice and even finish to the cardboard. Then using white acrylic paint, I started making these check patterns on one of the boxes. After one side of the pattern and design was complete, I'd let it dry for around 2 hours and then did the same pattern on all the other 3 sides. So this makes the design complete for the entire box. I let the first box dry and then I started over with the second one. I cut the flaps on all the 4 sides. That is the first step to do. And then I started painting the box again with the teal acrylic paint and the large sponge brush. I cut 2 rectangular pieces on the top end of the box to make them into handles so that the boxes are easier to lift up. Similarly, I cut another handle on top of the top end of the box to make 2 handles so that I can lift the box nicely. I colored the entire carton box with teal acrylic paint, and once it was completely dry, I made small polka dots on it using a large tool, and you can also use any round shape, even a glue gun stick, to make polka dots. And I use white acrylic paint. You can use chalk paint or any other paint, even poster paint, to make the polka dots. Finally, I took some twine and glued them to the handles of the boxes like so. wrapping the toy into the handles makes the box look even more beautiful and even easier to lift up. Once my box was complete, I started organizing it with the things that I keep on using, like my large lantern, candles, candle holders, all into the smaller ones. And for the bigger boxes, I use the other stuff, the seasonal ones, like the fall decor and my crafting hoops and other stuff. So that is all for today. Let me know in the comments below how you like the cute DIY organizers. I think these are absolutely adorable, and they don't cost even anything. They are almost free of cost. I made them with the things that I already had at my hand, and they turned out so beautiful. I am so glad that I tried this, and I'm going to use them for a long period of time. So hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this organizer video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to check out the playlist for some amazing creator video inspiration. Bye bye and happy crafting.